Hi guys, hi Charan, hi Akshar, hi Kamar. Hi guys, it's so nice to see you and thank you for joining in. I don't know, can you hear me guys? Like, can you give a shout out if you can hear me because I'm not sure if you can hear me. And that's good. So I'm really happy to be home, and this is my first time in Bombay during my birthday. Generally, I tend to travel, so I thought I'll quickly come and say hi and celebrate it with you guys. Because it's so nice to have everybody exchange beautiful vibes and on the birthday. And I have a nice surprise for you. My dad has always been singing. I mean, has never been singing, but has now started, during quarantine, made the most out of it during lockdown, and would love to sing something for you all. And thank you, Rani. So nice to see you. Thank you, Jean. Thank you, Rani, for wishing me. I'm so happy to see you all tuned in. It makes me so happy and feels so good that I have so many beautiful people like you in my life. And thank you, Rani. It's really so nice to see you after so long. And Kamar and Kiran, and I, like most of the people know, I'm extremely social media shy, but I'm trying to get over that. And I thought it would be really like something different to kind of come and like celebrate my birthday with you guys. And I made a cake. My baking is my new hobby these days, so I baked a cake which I will bring out from the kitchen soon with you guys to cut it with you. And in the meanwhile, I don't know, can you guys even hear me? And thank you for watching Sarabam. I know I've been getting a lot of posts and messages about people watching Sarabam because now it's on YouTube dubbed in Hindi, but I'm sure the Tamil people can find the Tamil version. And I'm also really happy to share with you all that you guys are going to see my entry in Telugu really soon, and that's going to be with Bhanumati Ramakrishna. And I'm really waiting and hoping that you guys enjoy the film and like the film, and keep supporting me like you always do. And just a little maybe I can, I don't know, take you here. So that's a little bit a little sneak peek into my house. So they just had a balloon, but because the balloon has gone now because of, I don't know, the wind and the air and whatever, but it was there till some time back. And so yes, that is pretty much outside my house, and it looks like I could never see the sea before lockdown. Now you can see the sea. And yes, Bhanumati Ramakrishna is yes, Vijay, Bhanumati Ramakrishna is it's like kind of a love story, but it's more about a journey of a girl who kind of who tries to go find her happiness, because I think everybody's happiness lies in different things, and sometimes when we realize the smaller pleasures of life becomes easier to be happy. And that's what Bhanumati is. She has her flaws, she has her mistakes, but she tries to be the best version of herself by learning from her mistakes, and that's what it is about. And thanks for all the people who've been watching Forbidden and giving me great reviews, and yes, Sarabam too. And it was just a quick shout out to see you guys, sending you lots of love, and thank you for all your wishes. And I'm going to get my dad to join us, and he's going to sing just something for us. And he has a beautiful voice. I wanted to share it with you all. And yes, he's gonna come here. Papa, sing that song na? Come. So come sit down. So my whole family is very shy about anything to do with social media. So where I get my shyness of social media. So Abraham, yes, Turnout is not available right now. It's releasing in August in America, and then it's hopefully soon to come in India, but as of now it's to release in August in America, and then we will get a digital release hopefully soon. A lot of things have changed with this lockdown, so that's that. So Papa, are you ready? That's my dad, guys.
Hi, how are you? Take care.
So my dad is going to just spread some cheer and share his beautiful voice with you all. And that's it. And we'll then thank you guys for tuning in and celebrating my birthday.
मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई मैं आशिक तो नहीं मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई That's all. Thank you.
Thank you guys for coming in. And Ishan, can you get the cake from the fridge, please? And my brother's going to quickly just get the cake so I can give you a sneak peek of the cake I baked. I wish I could share the cake with you all, but since too many more to hopefully when the lockdown opens and we all can get together in the real world. And guys, stay safe, stay happy, stay last few days of lockdown. And Ishan, please just quickly come in. Come just for 1 second. Oh, my brother's not going to come in. He's very shy. So that's our orange chocolate cake which I baked yesterday. And so that's that. And just few lines. Papa, can you sing those few lines of Na Tum Hame Jano? So my dad will sing a few lines. Oh Papa, Tamanna is wishing you, Tamanna.
Oh, hello, how are you?
Tamanna is there, Biswajit is there, so many people have tuned in. Rani, Pratna is there, Shrikant is there. Here, this is the cake. Come on, Papa. Abhishek is there, Natasha, thank you guys. Papa, sing for them.
So I don't know you, but still I'll sing it. The song itself will say, न तुम हमें जानो न हम तुम्हें जाने मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया न तुम हमें जानो न हम तुम्हें जाने मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया I'll not bore you much.
No, thank you. All my friends, like thanks Ridhima, they're saying that uncle is singing so well, and thanks Pratna. And yes, Vijay Bhanumati Ramakrishna is coming out really soon. And I really wish I could share my new recipe of cake, which actually turned out pretty good with all of you. But very soon, when we all meet in the real world of... But you know, I never... thank you, Tamanna. So sweet of you to join in all the way from Dubai. And thank you for wishing me. And thanks, Alisha. Okay, they're singing. We're singing one more song. Any few lines. Just any one more song, whichever you like. Just sing something. And then we will be off, guys, and thank you so much. Yes, Abhishek, we're sharing the cake with you very soon. You know you're going to get it like before anybody else because you're going to come and get the cake physically. So Papa, just sing a few lines and then we will sign out, guys, and thank you. Oh yes, Ridhima, the cake is for you next time. Happy birthday, Bhanu, my director is saying. Thank you, director, for tuning in and wishing me. So Papa, a few lines of any song, whichever you like. तुम पुकारो
तुम पुकारो तुम्हारा इंतजार है तुम पुकारो ख्वाब चुन रही है रात बेकरार है तुम्हारा इंतजार है, तुम पुकारो.
Thank you
you,
guys.
very
Thank you
much.
so
Take
much
care.
for tuning in, and I'm seeing you soon, very soon. And Ridhima, the cake is for you also very soon. All you guys, the cake. Thank you really for making my birthday special. It was so nice to share with you guys. My phobia of Instagram and social media is becoming a little less because of all your love. And thank you, and waiting to see you guys so soon. I'm sharing one of our tracks with you. Please make sure, Mr. Luthra ji. What track is that? I'm sharing one of our tracks with you. Please, okay. Okay, I'm a little lost with you, but so everybody, thank you for appreciating the songs, and lots of love and cheer, and please make him our please make him our next track too. Yes, we have one more song. Hopefully he'll put it out on YouTube. So my dad is now gone on YouTube. It's called Siddharth Raj Luthra. So you can tune into YouTube and just put Siddharth Raj Luthra, and you'll find him with one or two songs. And thank you, Yash. It's so happy to see all my work people also tuning in. So happy. Thank you for making my birthday so special. Thank you guys, and we'll take a leave now because my brother's planned a sundowner for me, and he's calling me to kind of join the sundowner. The sundowner says Sal's sundowner, 11 June 5 p.m. the living room of Luthra residence. So that's how it is. Natasha says hi too. Thank you, Abhishek, for passing on the message. Pratna Singh, tell uncle he has to sing in my birthday too. Pratna is singing your birthday and in your wedding. Don't worry, I think your wedding will come before your birthday.
But Pratna, your comments really inspired me. Very good comments you had sent to me.
On
Thank you
YouTube.
very much. On the YouTube.
Yes, thank you Ranjanjeet Singh for wishing me, and thank you guys, and
Bye-bye.
bye bye. See you. Thank you.